Añejo Cristalino Volcán de mi Tierra. My goodness, what a nice tequila. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, showing you the best margaritas ever for this National Day of Margarita, which is February 22nd.
National Margarita Day.
National Margarita Day. Thank you so much, production. What I will do without this production. All right, you guys, so hang on, please do me a favor. Get the blender out because we're going to teach you how to make a blended mango margarita. Please stay here with me. Man, this tequila is good. As good as this margarita is going to be. Pay attention, you guys. This is super easy. This is kind of like it goes to or yells for 2 cocktails. So, just going to start with pouring our good Volcán de mi Tierra Blanco, 2 ounces. 1 full ounce of lime juice by half of an ounce of triple sec, Grand Marnier, Patron Citron, whatever you guys would like to have on the orange cordial side. Because this one is natural mangoes, it's not gonna be extremely sweet, but if you happen to stop by and get some mango puree, that might be sweet, so please always rectify your sugars. In this case, we're just gonna go for half of an ounce of agave nectar and some chunks of mango. Let's get the blender and let's give it a real nice. Now that you have your margarita ready, get a nice fancy martini glass, top it up with some Tajin. And your garnish, a dehydrated slice of mango with Tajin. Perfection. That's what these margaritas are. Cheers, everyone. Happy National Margarita Day. Did I say that right?
Yes.
And please don't forget to make it with Volcán de mi Tierra. Cheers, everyone. Never, never drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Salud.